Welcome to Gadget Solution. Zong Router Login. Zong MBB Device Portal allows you to change Wi-Fi password, network name, SSID, and default Zong mobile broadband settings at http://192.168.8.1. Open your computer or laptop. Connect your device to your Zong router's network. Open an internet browser of your choice. Enter the default IP address for your Zong router 192.168.8.1 in the address bar and press Enter to proceed. Next, a login screen appears. Enter your router's default login details. Enter username, admin and password, admin, and click Login. You will be logged into the Zong device portal. Change Zong Wi-Fi password and SSID. Connect to the Zong 4G Wi-Fi network and log into MBB device portal. Click on Settings from the top menu and go to WLAN Basic Settings. Enter Wi-Fi network name in the SSID field. Select Security Mode as WPA2 PSK. Enter the Wi-Fi password in the WPA pre-shared key field. Click on Apply to save the settings. Thanks for watching.